Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And we're in an antique mall and I'm losing my head, and Darren will show you why with the camera. I love these 38-inch dolls. I have 30 something and I have no more room, but look at her hair. I mean, that could be combed out so well. And not only that, her sister's right there. I have two of those. I only have one of these. $34.99. Oh, I want her. And I collect those 28-inch Barbies, and I don't have a couple, but they're $20 each. And and look up over here. And I'm out of room. But wait till you see all the dolls here. Darren's gonna do a little filming for us. What do you think? Should I get her? That's a good one. This, and I almost set it down. This is yours. Hi. Carrie Inks Pad Play Pad. I'm thinking of you. How cute is this? Aren't these adorable? Look how big they are. My ring's bigger than that doll.
Yeah, your ring's bigger than most people.
Well, that's my thumb though. You can see how tiny they are. I just love them. Oh, wait. $2. Look what I found for $3. Am I getting it? No, but it's still cute and I wanted to show it.